Okay, so here we are again in another video, and today we are gonna start as always with the TX fucking Y. And well, these days are being a little bit difficult, not because of the trades, because I don't have that much trades. Because usually I have my confirmations when I'm working, or I don't feel like I have a proper confirmation and concrete confirmation on M1 sometimes. So that makes me doubt a little bit, and I see that it doesn't work sometimes. So well, I'm gonna explain you what I saw today, and well, let's see. Okay. So first of all, we had this price falling here, no real liquidity to the left, but it decided to revert here and go to the upside. We had previous daily high and real liquidity on each one here with a lot of reactions, and there was no break obstructor, and it continued going higher. So what I'm thinking these days is about trying to find some strategy for continuations, because I think it's really useful for trendish days or trendish pairs, but yeah, I need time, and well, I just have to have at least mine right now and then look for it. But yeah, I want to find it, even that I don't have pretty much time now that I'm working in the afternoons. Okay, but well, so let's see EU. On EU, we had this previous daily high and revenue liquidity in each one here from all these movements. And well, this is not revenue liquidity in each one because the revenue liquidity on each one was this one. So this is only previous daily high. And well, the price just went down here, and we didn't have any reaction this far, too far. And here we have the previous weekly low. So yeah, no trades for me. All day falling. I'm looking for reversals right now, and well, in this case, I wasn't able to look for a trade. GU, which it looked much better as we already took here previous weekly low. We had here a pretty important relevant liquidity on each one. We broke a structure on each one here, previous daily low and relevant liquidity on each one. We had a lot of liquidity up there too, but maybe we will fall now that well, the US is starting to cut rates. We took this liquidity on the daily chart, so maybe this is why we are having this reaction here, but I don't look that much. Okay, so I just waited for a break obstructor. Here I'm not gonna trade, it's out of timing, but I was looking for this break all the afternoon, and well, in the end it broke late. No confirmation, we had a clear target, but nothing at all. Fuck it, it is what it is. No good trades these days, okay? Here I had a stop loss today on the USD JPY. So my account, my FTMO challenge that I didn't trade for a lot of days is now minus 4% or something like that, because I'm trading like 4% trades. I want to risk it, yeah, I just don't care. That trade, it's at 10k, so I decided that I wanted to risk it. And well, on USD JPY, we had this previous daily high and revenue liquidity on each one, which is what the revenue liquidity that I tried to trade. No, sorry, not this one. I was looking for a break obstructor here. We had here one, but it was like I wasn't. Let me see this. Yeah, I was waiting for this mitigation, like break obstructor here, and I was waiting for this mitigation on M1 and confirmation, but yeah, there was no confirmation at all. Then we went up, taking this round liquidity on H1 here to the left, which it was the one that broke, well, that took this round liquidity in H1, that took this previous weekly high. And here I was looking for a sell. We had I think the main problem here was we had a big week. We had a breakout structure to the downside. We even had the proper confirmation. Well, not really. My mistake is that I didn't wait, like we had the mitigation, but we didn't have the proper like on M1 had BOS and mitigation, but no engulfing candle. So I'm trying to find, I'm just trying to find a proper confirmation on M1 right now. It's my main mission, but well, I have to try it. My mistake, as you can see, it mitigated the POI here, but no engulfing candle, and well, fuck me again. Yes, well, before I traded just with the engulfing candles, but yeah, it is what it is. I'm trying to be more precise. And here we had a break to the downside, but I'm not gonna trade that. It's too far from it. I was working anyways. USDCHF, more or less the same. We had previous daily high and round liquidity on H1. We still, okay, the previous weekly high is here, but it's like equal highs, so maybe we will take that this week. And I was looking for some sells. We had a break of structure here with a week out of timing, so we took that. Then we had a break of structure here. I was working, so no trade for me. But probably if I would have traded that, it would have been an stop loss. Okay. Yeah, it looks like so. So yeah. Well, right now I'm not sure about anything, but yeah. So break of structure here, mitigation, engulfing candles, entry here probably, and at least this target. Yeah, it would have been a stop loss probably. I don't know. Well, I'm not sure I would have traded that here because it's too far. Okay, but I need rules for that. And then USD CAD. Well, as you can see, we took the previous weekly high. We had this reaction, previous daily high here, and we had like this break that I didn't see because I was out. Yeah, I was doing something else, and we have a week to. So yeah, I think I'm gonna wait for the round liquidities, no mitigations, like just relevant liquidities. And because with the mitigation we have a confirmation, but with the round liquidity on M1 here we don't have it. Okay, so I think I'm gonna change that and only look for round liquidities to be taken to confirm the trade. Okay, and then proper continuation. Well, we had a break here with the timing, but not trading that as it's too far. Okay, and I had another trade today on Hyperliquid in which the problem here is that we took the target, so maybe I shouldn't have traded that, because usually when it takes the target that it takes around liquidity on each one, it's this liquidity is stronger than this one, and well, it took that, as you can see, and then we had the break of structure here, and then continuation to the upside. Okay, so no trades for me apart from the stop loss. And well, I hope you like it, and see you tomorrow. Bye bye.